We're still at the Loriland Farm Resort.
Yes.
And I'm still with Chef Hannah Herrera. I was going to make something I love.
Actually, this is my rendition of the easier rendition of the bagoong rice. You need a pan here. And then in this pan, I'm going to put my
This is
pork.
parang adobo cut lang na pork, no?
Yes, menudo or adobo cut. That's
Yes.
fine. Okay, and then I put my water.
So this is the sweet pork.
Yes, this is sweet pork. This is the topping of our bagoong rice. Our thigh patis. If you don't have thigh patis, you may use the
Regular patis.
Regular patis. And then I have my brown sugar.
Yun lang?
Yun lang yun. So I'm
Just
going
gonna
to
let
put it.
So we're just gonna let it cook for a while and reduce,
Yes.
right?
Yes, reduce. Just let it stay like that. We have our cooking oil here.
Yan. Regular cooking oil.
Regular
Any.
cooking oil. And then we have our red onions.
Does it have to be red?
Well, mas masarap kasi pag red ang ang effect sa...
Mas matapang, no?
Yeah, ang effect sa
Actually,
bagoong.
Yun na nga. Yung flavor niya talaga different, no?
It's going to saute it. And of course, we have our garlic.
I really love garlic. I think cooking without garlic is like cooking na hindi walang lasa.
Yeah. Ayan, you can smell it, Des.
Oo nga.
Ang bango-bango. And so we put our shrimp paste in a little bit of water
Okay. Why do we want to do that?
para ma-dissolve siya agad.
Oh.
Kasi the problem usually is it gets sticky.
Okay,
Since you can see talagang paste siya. It's not like our bagoong.
Yung ating kasi nakikita mo pa yung pagka-shrimp niya eh.
Oo.
Ito yung parang minasa.
Yeah. Ito, maamoy mo, malayo pa lang. Amoy mo na.
Oo nga.
Okay.
Mas masipag sila sa atin.
Oo. Yan. So, we'll just make parang... Yan. Not too much water. You can also use the regular bagoong that can be...
Do they have to put water pa rin?
Well, not really.
Hindi na.
No more. Lagyan na natin ang ating...
Rice.
The half of the rice.
Okay. Because pag nilagay natin agad yung bagoong tatalsik.
Yes.
Diba?
So,
I'll help you.
and then we'll spread the shrimp paste.
Alright. So, we want to make sure that incorporated lahat ng ano. So, dapat ganyan ba itsura niyan? Ganyan.
Yeah. So, we're going to add more of the rice, of
bango,
course.
diba? Ang bango talaga niya. So, we're gonna make sure that the rice is coated with the bagoong.
Yes.
Well coated. Yung, alam mo yun, kasi pangit yung, ewan ko, I don't like eating bagoong rice na merong puti-puti pa.
Oo.
I don't know. I don't know about you. Kasi parang feeling ko fake.
Well, masarap talaga to Des kapag ka, they use also long grain jasmine rice. It's more fragrant.
Oo.
So, yeah. Actually, this is already done. But then, if they want the rice to be easier for the bagoong to blend in with the rice, what they do is, yung rice talaga, dapat nag-rest overnight.
Ah,
Yung
day
pang fried
old.
rice, oo, day old rice. Tsaka talagang masahin na para maghiwa-hiwalay.
Para buhaghag, di ba?
Yes.
This is a sweet pork that we're cooking now. Chef Hannah made a batch ahead. Nako, alam mo, pag hindi nila nilayo to sa akin, tingnan ko pa naubos to. Sobrang sarap.
Okay, so we put our bagoong rice.
So, pahala kayo. You can mold it. Di ba?
Napaka-colorful nating plate.
Oo.
And of course, we
That's our dish. Bagoong rice with
sweet pork. Yan. So it's very easy, no? We just garnished it with some yung Baguio beans na slice na maninipis. Kasi parang it gives a refreshing taste.
Oo nga, oo.
With the bagoong.
So, hindi na natin niluto
Right.
any of it. Except the egg, syempre.
Yeah,
Hindi na natin
scrambled egg lang
egg
this
yan.
thing and then slice it. And then you can serve it with sweet chili sauce.
Yeah, that's the way the Thais do it, di ba?
Yeah.
And you can do it at home.
In your fiestas also.
Nice. So, we have more of Chef